Turn left, the GPS instructed. Bob sighed. You said that 5 times already. His car was in the middle of a cornfield. Recalculating, the GPS chimed as if mocking him. Bob grumbled, I should have taken that right. Suddenly, a cow appeared, staring at him like he was the lost one. Move over, Bob joked, trying to lighten the mood. The GPS announced, you have arrived at your destination. Bob laughed. Great, unless my destination was to become a farmer. Moral of the story, sometimes even technology needs a sense of direction. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.